This video I'm going to tell you how you can publish your draft YouTube video on your YouTube channel using your smartphone. So let's get started with the video. So first of all, what you have to do is go to Google Chrome. So I will go to Google Chrome. As you can see, it's right here. After that, you have to search for studio.youtube. As you can see, it has appeared up, so I will search for it. After that, what you have to do is click on the three vertical dots which are right up here at the right side of your mobile screen. After that, you have to scroll down and tap on desktop side checkbox as check. After that, you have to simply rotate your mobile screen, and after that you will see the content icon here. Click on it. After that, you can see that this video is a draft video. So whichever video is your draft, you have to simply click on it. After that, click on. After that, you might have the pencil icon appear, but in my case it did not appear, so it not directly open up. So what you have to do is then you will see at the bottom right side of your mobile screen, if you change the position of your mobile screen, you will see here the next button. So what you have to do is simply click on it, and then the procedure is the same as you upload video on YouTube normally. So like this, you have to add the add screen and then click on next and then click on next, and after that you will find the publish option. Like this, you can then publish your draft video on your YouTube channel. So viewers, hope so you liked my video. Comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, get information and knowledge, and click on the notification bell on all to get a notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.